This is day 62 of me building a CRM software. I decided that in 2026, I was going to build a customer relationship management software called Your Digital Toolbox. It's going to be a set of tools to help market to businesses or market from businesses. And so I wanted to go through and showcase what I've been doing with it. And every day I want to showcase a new thing that I've put together in this app. The very first thing is that I worked on today was I was able to get this actually hosted over at Vercel. And so I got it hosted, I got the database set up, and I got the emails set up to send out from Vercel through Amazon Simple Email Service. So all of those things I got done today. Check. And I just want to go through, and now that this is hosted, I wanted to show you some of the things that I have built into it so far. And disclaimer, this is super alpha software. There's lots of bugs. I'm still working on it, but I would love your input as to the things that I should fix or change or add to the software as you kind of get the vision and the picture of how this is going to go. So let's go ahead and log in here to Your Digital Toolbox. I have implemented passkey authentication, and I think that's super cool. Works really well. One of the things that I like is you have this up here. This is the command palette. And so I've put over here under the theme, you can change your light, your dark, your auto. The dark isn't styled quite right yet. I'll get to that in a minute, but you can change whether you have the grid or the graph. You can see in the background here, it changes the style of your background pattern. And you can also go through and adjust the accent color that shows up for all sorts of different things across the software. The very first tool that I wanted to add to the CRM software is actually the contacts app or the contacts tool. So here we are. Here we've got a couple of examples in here, and as you can see, there's a few different views. So what the view is basically a different way to slice all of the people in your database. So for example, if you wanted to add a filter where the name contains a 2, right? There's only one of those, and you can apply that, and then you can save that view, and we can just say 2. There you go. And anytime that you open up the 2 view, that's what's going to be shown. That the things that get saved during the filtering there is the filters. If you adjust the orientation of your columns, so any of that, or over here, I wanted to make sure that it's kind of like a spreadsheet, so you could add or remove different things. So for example, let's add the t-shirt size, and now if you save that view, and it can resave as 2, now that's going to show up whenever you view. Dang it, that's a bug. That's all right, I'll go back and fix that. But so yeah, basically that's you can go through and view all of the different pieces there that are set up. So anyway, the point of these videos is I want to do the coding in the open thing. I want to kind of show the things that I'm building. I want to show the bugs that are showing up for me, and I would love to get your feedback as to things that I should fix or things that are that you're like, hey, that's really odd. Why did you choose to do it that way? So let me know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Every day I want to go through and showcase another piece of what I'm designing, what I'm building. So there you go. Real quick, here are custom fields. So as you can see, we've added the t-shirt size. That's a custom field. That's this column over here. And obviously, yep, there it is. That's that column over there. And okay. So that's all I'm going to do for today. I want to keep these short and sweet because it's important to me to do one of them every day. That's the point for these. So I'm going to see you in the next one.